going to make dragon eggs. All you need is an egg, a candle, layer, pokey stick thing, wooden skewer, straw, and a clear container of water. And most importantly, adult supervision. First thing we need to do is hollow out our egg. An easy way to do this is get a sharp object and poke it through both ends of the egg. Be very careful not to break it. Be very careful not to break it. Now take your straw and put it on the hole of the egg and blow it through.
Good job.
Oh, that's such a big yolk. Rinse off your egg and you're ready for the next step. The next step is to put the wooden skewer through the egg. This is where the adult supervision comes in. This experiment is a level 4, so that means you need a parent's help. Light the candle, hold the egg over the wick of the candle, and get the soot to cover the egg. Fire safety is very important. I like dinosaurs. This took about a good 10 minutes. The more the egg is covered, the better it will work. Once it's covered, let it cool for a few minutes. This should be your final result. See how much is covered? Now get ready for the magic.
Okay, hold on.
It looks clear. And I see silver. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
It's like moving on itself. Do you know what's going on here? The soot is a carbon that covered the egg. When we dipped it underwater, an air bubble formed over the carbon, but that air bubble made an illusion that it was silver. Carbon is hydrophobic, which means it's afraid of water, or it won't blend in with water. And as you can see, it's floating on the top of the water, not mixing in. It's a really cool trick, and it's kind of magical. I hope you enjoyed this science experiment. If you do this on your own, do it with a parent. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Bye.